Here's a 2019 Audi A6. It's a lively performer from the inside out with dramatic power, well-thought-out technology, and a beautifully devised interior. 2019 marks a full redesign, including the chassis and engine. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. It's a lively performer from the inside out with dramatic power, well thought out technology, and a beautifully devised interior. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.